This is the SAP Developer News for March 20th, 2025.
Hey, we're here at SAP Insider in Las Vegas. We had the keynote the other day from Jan Gilg, and he reiterated the announcement of Joule for developers. Joule for developers is the culmination of delivering Joule, Code Assistant, and other developer capabilities throughout our developer tool suite. So it's the delivery of Joule capabilities in SAP Build Code, SAP Build Apps, SAP Build Process Automation, and of course the ABAP capabilities. And it's been so cool to be able to deliver hands-on sessions here on those very topics. In fact, we were in one the other day where we were doing ABAP Joule capabilities, and we were able to do stuff that goes way beyond code generation. We asked it to explain some code to us, and then I asked it, explain it to me as though I'm a 2-year-old, and it actually did a really good job of summarizing it in a very simple way. But then I asked it, explain the code to me as though I'm a SAP 4.6c developer. And it actually analyzed the deltas and the important new capabilities that the code showed. So Joule goes way beyond just generating little snippets of code, and I can't wait for everybody at home to be able to try it out.
Hey ABAP developers, I have an exciting news if you're still working with the older ABAP releases. ABAP2UI5 local is now available with ABAP version 7.02 and it is syntax compatible. Now you can run the entire ABAP2UI5 framework within a single HTTP handler. All the ABAP2UI5 artifacts are combined into a single HTTP handler implementation as local class. Now with this approach, your app will be completely independent of the rest of the system as well as if you have any ABAP2UI5 installation. Now this downport wouldn't be much seamless and effortless without the use of ABAP lint tool. So if you want to give it a try, the link to the GitHub repo is in the description. Check it out.
Hola! I've just arrived here in Madrid and I'm in a really funky work pod here in the SAP Madrid offices. Anyway, I'm running an SAP Code Jam on CAP here tomorrow, along with my lovely colleague Antonio, and then attending SAP Inside Track Madrid on Friday, where I'm giving a talk on the CDS REPL. Anyway, I've just got time to tell you about some news about the Terraform provider for SAP BTP, specifically the release candidate for the Terraform exporter for SAP BTP is out now. Now, the exporter is this special tool that helps us move our existing resources on BTP under the command and control of Terraform, because not everybody has the opportunity to start from a greenfield landscape. Anyway, the release notes for this first release candidate are out and available on GitHub, of course. They contain details about new features, bug fixes, breaking changes, and more, so check them out. Related is a webinar that's taking place tomorrow as I record this, i.e. on Thursday the 20th of March. That's when it's taking place. So by the time you see this, it'll probably be over, but there'll be a recording of the webinar all about surviving brownfield Terraform projects with the BTP exporter. So I'll put a link in the description to this news item so you can go watch the recording of that webinar. Anyway, I've got to sign off now, get on with the final prep for the Code Jam tomorrow. Happy terraforming.
Hey everybody, Josh Bentley, Rich Heilman, and we're live from SAP Insider. We love the partner network at SAP. We're here for the second year in a row at the Bellagio, and we're here for the SAP Insider event. We're doing lots of great hands-on sessions. I've got one yesterday I'll tell you about in a second, but Rich, what are you doing?
Well, yesterday we did two-hour hands-on sessions, and the first one was about the 3-tier extensibility, which went really well, really great. And then the second one in the afternoon, we talked about how Joule can help ABAP developers be more efficient, more productive. What about you? What are you doing tomorrow?
So yeah, we're going to actually take that Joule theme and we're going to extend it using a great workshop that shows you how to use build code with Joule. So we're going to have people diving in and doing hands-on and actually going in and building, as we know, and they're going to build some apps and actually connect to Joule and be able to do some real iterative things and make changes to the applications they're building. And it's pretty quick. It's only a 2-hour workshop. So we try to get just a little bit of an interest built for this. And then later they can dive deeper on it. Yep. All right. Ready for another great day? Yeah. Let's get started. All right. We'll see you later. Bye.